You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this dinosaur, one of the longest words in English. It means tiny, thick-headed lizard. Of course, the saurus part always means lizard, even though it's a dinosaur. It's pronounced as micro, as it always is in English, not micro. Micropachy, yes, CH is pronounced like a K from Greek. Pachycephalosaurus. Pachy means thick, cephalo means the brain, the head, and micro is tiny. So the tiny thick-headed lizard, the Micropachycephalosaurus. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.